फैमपे
फैम कार्ड मांग लो ना।
Yeah, it's a Visa card.
है यार, परेशान कर दिया यार इन लोगों ने।
परेशान हो गए हम लोग।
जब देखो यूट्यूब पे फैम पे ले लो, फैम पे ले लो, फैम पे ले लो। बस मेरी एक गलती की वजह से मैंने फैम पे की वेबसाइट चेक कर ली, बट इतना ज्यादा देखने के बाद आई थॉट कि चलो ठीक है, लेट्स गिव इट अ ट्राई, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली दिस कंपनी इज, हाउ दे अर्न, लाइक एंड व्हाट नॉट। सो आई इंस्टॉल्ड देयर ऐप एंड ऑर्डर्ड वन फॉर माई सेल्फ, विच आई कुडंट because I am old. But if you are also like me who don't know what FamPay is, let me tell you what is FamPay. FamPay is like a debit card company for teenagers from age 11 to 18, and it is a way cooler than a normal debit card. Why it is cooler? Because first thing, it is for teenagers. Its design is very cool. It's a first numberless card, and if you own one, you are definitely going to stand out in your group. And there are many perks to it as well. Like if you are a FamPay user, you get to join their Discord server, participate in their digital event called FamJam. You will also get chance to work with these people as an intern. What problem this startup is solving? In today's time, even teens are participating in the spending economy. So they have to ask money from their parents every time, or like they have to ask for OTPs. So यहाँ पे थोड़ा hassle रहता है. तो instead what they did कि उन्होंने एक डेबिट कार्ड बना दिया इन टीनेजर्स के लिए, तो पेरेंट्स डायरेक्टली कैन सेंड मनी टू देयर किड्स एंड दे कैन स्पेंड लाइक वेरी इजीली विदाउट द इंटरवेंशन ऑफ पेरेंट्स. बट ऑब्वियसली पेरेंट्स कैन मॉनिटर लाइक वेयर दे आर स्पेंडिंग ऑन एंड कैन इवन ब्लॉक द कार्ड इफ दे वांट. व्हाट इज द आइडियोलॉजी ऑफ दिस स्टार्टअप? अकॉर्डिंग टू द फाउंडर्स, लाइक द पॉकेट मनी कल्चर शुड बी इन इंडिया एज वेल, because it helps to make kid more financially aware and also help to build their decision making capabilities, which will help them in making future decisions. मेरे घर वालों ने मेरे को कभी पॉकेट मनी नहीं दी. And the last layer is how they earn. FamPay takes a commission on every transaction you make, and they also have some brand collaboration. So like whenever you spend on their particular brand, so they will get a cut from it. But the company will earn more revenue the more you spend using their card. So one thing which I am struggling with, how spending more can make you financially aware. So this conflict of interest gives rise to a fundamentally dumb question. Should you use FamPay, or is FamPay worth it? I will talk about it, and you are watching a talking intellectual dumb. So as we already talked about, like founders of the company believe कि pocket money का culture like in Western countries should also be introduced in India, as it make people more financially aware. But is it the case?
Start looking at the Western countries, there are concepts of pocket money.
Yeah.
बचपन से बच्चे को पॉकेट मनी देना शुरू करते थे, 8-10 साल का, तब से they start getting exposure to money. बच्चा 13-14 साल का होता है, they start working.
आइसक्रीम बेचता है, कुछ करता है,
कुछ ना कुछ
side hustle
side hustle
करता
करते
है,
हैं, they start earning. तो अर्निंग से क्या होता है, they start getting financially independent. एंड उनको पता है मैं ये काम करके इतना कमा सकता हूँ जिससे मैं ये लाइफस्टाइल अचीव कर सकता हूँ, इतना कमाने से मैं इतनी पार्टी कर लेता हूँ, इतना ट्रैवल कर लेता हूँ, इतनी शॉपिंग कर लेता हूँ. दे नो, दे गेट द बेसिक आइडिया, एंड दैट इज वेयर द क्वेश्चन ऑफ सर्वाइवल is not in their minds.
I mean, it definitely sounds right, but I don't think it is the case, because if pocket money makes you more financially aware, then how will you explain this? The Western countries are the one which are having the highest credit debt, and if you don't know, the credit card debt is like one of the worst debt which you can have. ये सिर्फ तुम्हें financially affect नहीं करता, it also affects you mentally. Obviously, being financially aware is not that simple. And see, the bottom line is FamPay is a payments app. So if you are using more of it, so you are building spending habit, and spending habit doesn't translate to financial awareness. I agree, like parents can definitely control the spending of their kids, but if you want to make your kid more financially aware, there are definitely more better options available in the market which teach your kids more about investing and saving rather than spending. कंपनी ये भी मानती है बच्चों को बचपन से ही फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम मिलनी चाहिए, so that in future they can make their own financial decisions by themselves.
People don't know how to look at money. पेरेंट ने अगर मेरे को बोला कि नहीं तू 15,000 का नहीं तू 12,000 का फोन ले, तो मेरे पास क्वेश्चन करने की भी वो नहीं है कि ये 3,000 साल में बचा के हम कर क्या रहे हैं. Probably if I get my own pocket money, I can save 3,000 in a few months. तो बच्चे क्योंकि वो डिसीजन ही नहीं ले पाते, उसके लिए फाइट नहीं कर पाते अपने चॉइसेस के लिए बचपन से ही, बड़े होते होते वो रेप्लिकेट होता है थ्रू आउट देयर लाइफ, राइट? दे गेट हैंडिकैप्ड इन टेकिंग द राइट डिसीजन.
But here's the problem. Saving money to buy a 12,000 phone instead of a 10,000 phone is not being financially aware. But understanding that mobile phones are a depreciating asset, लेते ही उनकी कीमत आधी हो जाती है, that is being financially aware. And understanding that neither 10,000 or 12,000 smartphone can make you really smart is called self-awareness. FamPay's target audience are kids from age 11 to 18. 11. सीरियसली, मतलब बच्चा पैदा हुआ नहीं, उसको IIT की कोचिंग करा दो, सोशल मीडिया पे अकाउंट खुलवा के इंटरनेट पे खुला छोड़ दो, डोपामिन के नशे करवा दो, उसके बाद बोलो यार एक जगह दिमाग कॉन्सेंट्रेट होता नहीं है। कैसे होगा? यूजिंग सेलफोन्स इन योर अर्ली टीन्स इज ऑब्वियसली नॉट गुड। इफ यू यूजिंग अ FamPay कार्ड, यू हैव टू यूज देयर ऐप, एंड ऑब्वियसली अगर तुम ऐप यूज कर रहे हो तो यू हैव टू यूज सेलफोन्स। 11 to 18 is the age in which you should focus more on exposure. Like you should explore as much as you can so that you can finally decide what you want to do with your future. I will highly recommend to watch Simon Sinek video on using cell phones in your teens. It will definitely give you a new perspective toward these devices.
Dopamine is the exact same chemical that makes us feel good when we smoke, when we drink. In other words, it's highly, highly addictive. We have age restrictions on smoking, gambling, and we have no age restrictions on social media and cell phones, which is the equivalent of opening up the liquor cabinet and saying to our teenagers, hey, by the way, this adolescence thing, it gets you down.
And the last thing with FamPay is their perks. If you are using FamPay, you are definitely going to get access to their Discord server, and you will get reward points, and obviously those reward points will hook you to spend more on another brands. You can definitely show off in your group. But if you are the other kid जिसके parents तुमको FamPay कार्ड नहीं दिलवा रहे हैं, even your friends are having it, let me tell you, there is a very thin line between being cool and being dumb. I will explain. For example, let's say तुमने Domino's से pizza order किया, and your friend who is using a FamPay card also ordered the same pizza, and there is a fundamental difference between you two. तुमने order किया क्योंकि तुमको पिज्जा खाने का मन था. That guy ordered the pizza because उसके पास reward points थे Domino's के, and it might get expired in the next few weeks. Let those two behaviors sink in for a minute. There is a major difference. You are spending because you needed it. He or she is spending because they are hooked to the app and they don't want to lose their reward points. Financial literacy in our country is like a huge problem, and I definitely agree with that point, and there is no debate about it. But will owning a FamPay solves it? I highly doubt it. Another thing is buying a FamPay just because your friends are having it is another problem of you comparing yourself with other people based on materialistic things, and obviously this kind of behavior compound over time. I know to avoid the urge of these kind of things, like it's very hard, especially if you are young unlike me, but if you can do it तो बहुत बढ़िया. So if you are wondering like whether to get a FamPay card or not, so just remember one simple thing. It is just a simple debit card, and the only problem it will solve, like if you want to spend and your parents are not readily available, so please go ahead and buy it. And if you want to build financial awareness, there are much better options available out there. If you are a parent, give pocket money to your kids in form of cash and teach them how to manage that money by making them learn about investing and saving first before spending, and teach them the benefits about it. And if you are a teenager yourself watching this video, I will highly recommend go and read like Rich Dad Poor Dad. Then go explore as much as possible, then create a hobby and get serious about that hobby, and rest you will figure out. I believe you, man, and your future self will thank you for that, and I will thank you if you can press the subscribe button. If you are a FamPay user, so please let me know in the comments like how FamPay changed your life or your perspective towards money. I would love to know that. Obviously we all can agree to disagree, right? And I just realized that I fucked up my chances to get a sponsorship from FamPay in future, so who cares. So alright, that's it for this video, and see you in the next one.